Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. If you are looking for a central location property, close to recreational facilities, famous restaurants, less than 3 to 5 minutes from the seaside, close to shopping malls, private and gated, family oriented, with a kids play area, basketball court, pool and gazebo, then this Lakeside View Townhouse in Runaway Bay St. Anne is just for you. This strategically situated development is graced with greenery and palm trees and balanced by classic workmanship throughout the units. The townhouses are built with an open concept kitchen, living and dining, accompanied by a welcoming powder room. This kind of modern design is ideal for a loving family or residential investor. It has two balconies, which gives the buyer a wonderful view of the development and a lovely spot for relaxation. Not to mention, the development has lakeside fishing just for you. What more could you ask for? Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 280,000 or Jamaican 43 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.